Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the chairman of Hurriyat Forum, Mirwais Umar Farooq, has announced the comprehensive program to commemorate the martyrdom anniversaries of prominent liberation leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lon, and the martyrs of Hawal. It was on May 21st in 1990 that Mirwais Farooq was shot dead by the agents of Indian agencies at his residence in Srinagar. On the same day, 70 mourners were killed when Indian troops opened indiscriminate fire on his funeral procession in Hawal area of Srinagar. On the same day in 2002, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lon was also martyred by the agents of Indian agencies when he was returning from addressing a gathering at Mazar-e-Shuhada in Srinagar. As per the program announced by Mirwais Umar Farooq, an extensive campaign would be launched on social media from today till 21st May to highlight the Kashmir cause and the Indian machinations against the Kashmiris. Posters and banners will also be displayed all across the occupied territory. The Mirwais has appealed to the people of the occupied territory to observe complete strike and keep in view COVID SOPs, hold a march towards Mazar-e-Shuhada in Srinagar on 21st May. He said that prayer meetings will be held all across the territory on this day. Mirwais Umar Farooq urged the people in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan, and all across the world to hold protest rallies and prayer meetings from today to Friday. He said that a press conference will be held on 19th May at National Press Club Islamabad, and on 21st May, special prayers would be offered in Faisal Masjid Islamabad, and a protest will be held there as well on the occasion. The yesterday's killing of 2 Kashmiri youth at Khonomo in Srinagar has turned out to be another case of fake encounter staged by Indian troops in the territory. The residents of the area categorically rejected the Indian military authorities' claim that the youth were militants and were killed in an encounter. They told media that it was a clear case of fake encounter, as has been a practice of Indian troops since 1990. The eyewitnesses said the youth had just come to Khonomo from Pulwama to meet their friends and relatives, while the troops took them into custody and killed them when they tried to flee. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Secretary Public Relations Bashir Ahmed Andrabi, in a statement, condemned the killing of the youth in fake encounter. He deplored that whenever Indian troops get furious, they resort to basic firing on common masses as if they enjoy hunting. A delegation of Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement led by Ahmed Faisal visited Kakapora area of Pulwama to pay tribute to the martyred youth. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, Jammu and Kashmir Employees Movement and Jammu and Kashmir Insaf Party in their statements urged world human rights bodies to take notice of the ongoing spree of killings and arrests by Indian occupational forces during ongoing cordon and search operations in the territory. A protest demonstration led by Abdul Hamid Lon was held outside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad today against the arrest of Hurriyat leaders and activists and killing of innocent youth in fake encounters. The protest was organized by Tehreek-e-Fikr-o-I'tiqad, which is led by incarcerated Kashmiri leader Maulana Sarjan Barghati. Uttar Pradesh government, under one of the most fanatic and anti-Muslim BJP leader, Yogi Adityanath, has defied High Court order and bulldozed a masjid in the city of Ram Sanehi Ghat on Monday. According to a report by British newspaper The Guardian, police and security services moved in the area, prevented people from coming within a mile, and then brought in bulldozers and demolished the 6 decades old masjid. The Guardian has termed the incident one of the most inflammatory actions taken against a Muslim place of worship since the demolition of Babri Masjid by a mob of same BJP-led Hindu fanatics in 1992. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.